Okay, you guys, we're going to go ahead and we're going to get into drawing angles in standard position. So we are now taking these special right triangles and we're going to be introducing regular angles on like a set of axes, and then in the next lesson we're going to connect the two. So leaving 6-1 aside, right now we're just going to focus on drawing angles, and that's as simple as that. So the first thing you need to know is that when you go to draw angles, let's see, I'm going to do it in green, you will always have your set of axes. And your 0 will be that right hand side. So say we were looking north, south, east, west. Your angles will always start on the east side, and the line that's the starting side, we call that initial side. And then wherever it ends, we call it the terminal side. I don't like to get dark, but a lot of people connect terminal with dying or the end, or like terminal in an airport. That's where the airport ends because you're getting on the airplane, in a less dark way. So the terminal side is the end. So you will always start like that and then go however your angle goes. Now, when you draw it, you need to make sure that you label what way your angle is going, whether it's going that way in the positive direction or that way in the negative direction. So it's counterclockwise when it is positive, and it's clockwise when it's negative. So it grows, that means it's positive. If it goes underneath, that means it's negative. So it's in standard position when its vertex is at the origin. And so I prefer it being in standard position because that's going to make the crossover way easier when we go and do it, including the trig pieces with it. So I would encourage always doing it in standard position, where you start off with your initial side going east, and then you go anywhere else with the rest of your angles. We're going to get into some examples, but this is important to be aware of.